Great.
There are lots of you out there who are interested in working with children, like lots. And we have so much information about working with children. We have this 1-day class that I hope that anybody who's interested in children, period, or anybody who wants to learn to work more deeply with children, please come and join us for this 1-day workshop. You can find it on our website at anchraminstitute.com when the next one is, or we're happy, email us or call us, and we're happy to answer those questions. It's working a little differently with children to really get at some of the patterns and stuff that's going on, and we'd love to have you. So come join us for pediatrics. It's 1 day long. That's not a big deal. See you there.